The 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide presents a paradigm shift in the Grand American touring platform, featuring the potent Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine. This model, building on the 2023 designs, embraces advanced technology, rider comfort, and dynamic performance. The iconic CVO series, renowned for unparalleled performance, exclusive paint options, and top-notch accessories, is the epitome of factory custom motorcycles. In terms of design, the CVO Road Glide boasts a reimagined shark nose fairing with integrated LED lighting, 19-inch front and 18-inch rear combo cast-laced wheels, and an aerodynamically optimized flow state. The saddlebags, contributing to the bike's aggressive stance, enhance luggage capacity. Celebrating its 25th anniversary, the CVO Road Glide offers distinctive paint options like color-shifting copperhead and legendary orange. Performance-wise, the Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine, the highest displacement on a Harley-Davidson touring motorcycle, ensures increased power and torque, coupled with improved fuel economy. The 2024 model is 35 pounds lighter than its predecessor, enhancing overall performance. Aerodynamics and suspension see upgrades, reducing wind buffeting and fatigue while optimizing handling. Innovation takes center stage with the Skyline OS, offering customizable in-dash experiences and connected infotainment options. Ride modes provide enhanced control, and a 12.3-inch TFT display brings navigation and infotainment to the rider's fingertips. Rider safety enhancements focus on maximizing traction, and the premium Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 audio system delivers a powerful auditory experience. Priced at $44,499 in the US, $54,499 CDN in Canada, and £38,995 in Europe/UK, the 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide stands as a pinnacle in factory custom motorcycles, combining performance, design, and innovation for riders seeking the epitome of two-wheeled excellence. The 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST, dubbed the King of the Baggers, is a pinnacle of factory custom motorcycles. This performance bagger, designed for both track domination and open-road adventures, boasts a striking design and cutting-edge features. Riders experience an aggressive and upright position with a deep solo seat, 6-inch riser, and moto handlebar, showcasing West Coast custom style. The Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output V-twin engine powers the bike, delivering unparalleled performance. The fully adjustable front and rear suspension, premium Brembo braking components, and electronically controlled ride modes, road, sport, track, rain, and custom, provide a dynamic riding experience. The design is a standout feature, featuring a sculpted shark nose fairing with integrated LED lighting and a new windshield design. Computational fluid dynamics, CFD, played a crucial role in optimizing aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring both performance and rider comfort. Signature LED lighting, gloss black cast aluminum wheels, and CVO 25th anniversary graphics contribute to the bike's distinctive appearance. Performance is elevated with the Milwaukee-Eight 121 HO V-twin engine, 25 pounds lighter than its predecessor, and equipped with Screamin' Eagle Extreme Flow titanium slip-on mufflers for enhanced engine performance and a thrilling exhaust tone. The fully adjustable Showa front and rear suspension, carbon fiber components, and reduced weight further enhance the bike's handling. Innovation takes center stage with ride modes offering customizable control, rider safety enhancements maximizing traction, and the Skyline OS providing a customizable in-dash experience with navigation and infotainment options. The premium Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 audio system adds to the luxurious features. This limited edition motorcycle is part of the CVO, Icons, and Enthusiast collections, emphasizing its exclusivity and uniqueness. With a starting price of $42,999, the 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST offers riders a top-tier, one-of-a-kind riding experience that merges iconic design with cutting-edge technology. Harley-Davidson introduces the 2024 CVO Street Glide, a remarkable addition to the Grand American Touring platform. Fueled by the Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine, it blends advanced technology, rider comfort, and dynamic performance. The redesigned Batwing fairing boasts integrated LED lighting, and signature LED lights enhance visibility day or night. Rolling on 19-inch front and 18-inch rear combo cast-laced wheels with tire pressure monitoring system, the CVO Street Glide's sculpted design, from front fender to saddlebags, promotes a seamless visual flow. The saddlebags, an extension of the fairing's aggressive lines, not only contribute to the bike's assertive stance but also increase luggage capacity. Celebrating its 25th anniversary, the CVO Street Glide offers color-shifting copperhead or legendary orange finishes, each adorned with color-matched parts, CVO graphics, and a unique 25th anniversary console insert. Performance is elevated with the Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 V-twin engine, boasting liquid-cooled cylinder heads and variable valve timing. The 2024 model sheds 31 pounds compared to its predecessor, enhancing acceleration and braking. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a new windshield and fairing, contribute to reduced wind buffeting and rider fatigue. The new suspension, featuring inverted 47mm Showa forks and premium shocks, optimizes handling and comfort. Innovative features include the Skyline OS-powered customizable in-dash experience, ride modes for varied riding conditions, and a 12.3-inch TFT display for navigation and infotainment. Rider safety enhancements, including traction optimization and premium audio with a Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 system, add to the allure. Innovative features include the Skyline OS-powered customizable in-dash experience, ride modes for varied riding conditions, and a 12.3-inch TFT display for navigation and infotainment. Rider safety enhancements, including traction optimization and premium audio with a Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 system, add to the allure. The 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Pan America is an adventure touring motorcycle that pushes the boundaries of exploration. Celebrating 25 years of CVO customizing excellence, this model retains the key features of the Pan America 1250 Special, such as the potent Revolution Max 1250 engine, semi-active suspension, touchscreen display, and adaptive headlamp technology. The motorcycle is equipped with exclusive paint and graphics, showcasing a commitment to customization and individuality. Positioned as the epitome of factory custom, the CVO series offers unparalleled performance, unique paint options, and premier parts and accessories. Complementing this, the Icons Collection and Enthusiast Collection cater to varied rider preferences, celebrating the rich heritage and diverse community of Harley-Davidson enthusiasts. The CVO Pan America boasts an upright riding position, mid-mount foot controls, a passenger seat, tall saddlebags, and a frame-mounted fairing. Rider safety enhancements are standard, ensuring a secure and enjoyable riding experience. Designed for adventure, the collaboration with SW Motec brings rugged aluminum luggage, and a durable, waterproof adventure duffel provides practical storage for essential items. The motorcycle stands out with its legendary orange paint scheme, adorned with 25th anniversary graphics, a No. 1 logo on the fuel tank, and a small CVO graphic on each case side. Under the hood, the Revolution Max 1250 engine delivers an impressive 150 horsepower, ensuring instant torque and a surging power band tuned for maximum rider control. The semi-active suspension system dynamically adjusts damping based on various factors, providing an optimized riding experience on diverse terrains. Innovative features include adaptive ride height, which lowers seat height when stopped and maintains optimum suspension sag at speed. The Daymaker adaptive headlamp technology uses an ABS inertial measurement unit to project additional light into unlit corners, enhancing visibility on the road or trail. A Screamin' Eagle quickshifter enables clutchless upshifts and downshifts, ensuring precise and smooth control during on- and off-road riding. Rider safety enhancements focus on maximizing traction during acceleration, deceleration, and braking, utilizing advanced chassis control, electronic brake control, and powertrain technology. The CVO Pan America offers 5 pre-programmed ride modes: Sport, Road, Rain, Off-Road, and Off-Road Plus, or the option to create a custom mode, allowing riders to tailor their bike's performance to specific preferences. The infotainment system features a 6.8-inch color TFT touchscreen, seamlessly pairing with Bluetooth-equipped mobile devices. With a starting price of $28,399, the 2024 Harley-Davidson CVO Pan America provides riders with a top-tier adventure touring option, combining style, performance, and cutting-edge technology for an unparalleled riding experience.